Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 382, Inspecting an OpenID Connect token. If you're trying to set up registration or login claims mapping with your OpenID Connect identity provider on Power Pages, it can often be helpful to see exactly what claims a token contains. In this tip, we'll look at how we do that. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. We're going to use our browser's developer tools to keep an eye on the traffic. When a user logs into Power Pages using an OpenID Connect IDP, the user is redirected over to the IDP and, after successful login, is then redirected back to a special URL on Power Pages. If we inspect this redirect, we can see the token. Open your developer tools and go to the Network tab. Ensure that the Preserve Log option is checked. Now, go through the process of logging in. Look for a redirect request where the URL starts with sign in and a dash, followed by the name you've used in your IDP setup. In that request, on the Payload tab, you should see the ID_token value. Copy that value and browse to jwt.io in your browser. Paste the value there, and voila, you can see the token that Power Pages receives, including any claims. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found Power Pages tip number 382 on inspecting an OpenID Connect token useful.